Hello. This is the short tutorial on how to remove nail wraps. First thing you're going to need is a rubber cuticle pusher. Next you'll need coconut oil or cuticle oil will work. You could also use traditional nail polish remover, but that's pretty cut and dry and doesn't really require a tutorial. So let's get right into it. You're going to take the hard edge of your cuticle pusher and lift a corner of your nail wrap. Then you're going to take the rubber end, grab some coconut oil, and place that under the lifted edge of your wrap. You're going to take that same end of your cuticle pusher and gently work that oil back and forth under the wrap. The oil will slowly break down the adhesive, and you can see the wrap just fall away from your nail. Working in a back and forth motion, applying gentle pressure, and that wrap just falls away. That's how easy it is. Thanks for watching.